growing up, I knew that I was brown, I knew that I was Egyptian, and I knew that I was Muslim. But how that meshed together, where did the lines, really start and stop? It wasn't super clear. When I went to Egypt, it was very interesting because now we went for a purpose. We went to learn more about Islam. We went to learn Arabic, formally, for myself at least. My husband, did much more than that, alhamdulillah. It was a real learning, not only about my religion, but about myself. And I finally came to a place while I was studying that I may not understand everything, but I trust Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala deeply. I don't have these why does Allah say this? What is that verse in the Quran? I don't know. I feel unsettled. I deeply felt, I may not have the exact answer, but I trust and I love Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. That formative 3 years in Egypt, it truly changed me.